Alright, today I have the Zoom H6 handy recorder, and I'm going to be replacing the batteries on the Zoom H6 handy recorder. And the batteries that I'm going to be replacing them with is Energizer Recharge. And the reason why I go with Energizer Recharge is because the batteries can get drained pretty fast within the Zoom H6 handy recorder. So here's the recorder, all of its glory right here with all of the controls and microphones. Pretty nice recorder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and flip it on the back. And then I am going to go ahead and open this up right here. And I'm going to go ahead and take out the batteries. All right, simple pull right there can take out the batteries. And I'm going to go ahead and place the batteries inside just like this and place that one in there. And if you look inside, there is indication of how to line the battery up, and that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just going to line it up just like that, put them into place like that, and once they're into place, I just go ahead and take the lid and make sure you have it in the right direction, place it like that, and then snap it into place, and let's see if it turns on with the rechargeable batteries. Look at that. Pretty cool. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.